Scene script. Have you ever wondered what powers the digital world? What keeps our interconnected realm humming and buzzing with life? Welcome, pioneers of the future, to IN2054, Windows Server Administration. This is where your journey into the heart of modern IT infrastructure begins. Throughout this course, you'll plunge into the intricate universe of Windows Server 2019, acquiring the expertise that will make you a coveted DevOps specialist in the ever-evolving job market. Our first module will see you mastering the essentials of VMware Workstation. You'll learn to craft, duplicate, and manage virtual machines, simulating actual server environments right on your personal computer. As you advance, you'll uncover the abundant features of Windows Server 2019. You'll strategize installations, fine-tune systems, and delve into Hyper-V for the epitome of virtualization. You'll facilitate swift server deployments, ensuring you're always leading the race in the high-speed tech world. But there's more! You'll also become adept at Active Directory and account management, fundamental skills for any IT professional. Yet this course is about more than just technical proficiency. It's designed to hone your communication, problem-solving, and critical thinking skills, molding you into not just a tech expert, but a well-rounded professional. And because we're dedicated to your future, we've incorporated the latest in cloud technology. You'll delve into Azure Cloud services, preparing you for the esteemed AZ900, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification. Picture the endless possibilities as you install, configure, and maintain Windows Server environments. Visualize yourself facilitating the integration of intricate software and hardware components. With us, you'll not just learn, you'll innovate and lead. So, are you ready to blaze a trail as a Cloud DevOps professional, to be part of the next wave of tech experts? Enroll in 2054 Windows Server Administration, and together we'll construct the future. Your mission commences here. Register today and take the initial stride towards a thrilling career in Cloud Server Administration with Azure. We're eager to see what you'll achieve.